Live on tomorrow and see the sunlight. No to tobacco that will steal your life. Live on tomorrow, yeah, yeah. Kick the habit, not your life. Live on tomorrow and see the sunlight. No to tobacco that will steal your life. Live on tomorrow, yeah, yeah. Na jinglin tin babida kapor ya pormen dala de pi senjor mabambum ju batan mi ya kadam ibam.
Hello guys.
Hello. Khasi Meghalaya people, welcome back everyone. And today we are checking one latest music video, guys, from Jessie Lyngdoh. We have also Wanjop, and we have KiDo. KiDo. It's my first time saying this name. KiDo. Then song, No to Tobacco.
Say no to tobacco. Say no to cigarette. Say no to alcohol. Say no to anything.
I think this is very informative and very helpful video. It's not only about music, but it's a message in a
awareness message.
Awareness message in a music way. Let's enjoy it, guys, because they are my favorite, especially Jessie Lyngdoh and Wanjop, guys. You know Wanjop and one, but they're from the same music production.
Yeah, I know.
Let's check it out. Don't forget, subscribe now. Stay tuned. Let's go. Say no to tobacco.
Cả bên sim là đã trao ôm mắt các mi tại baka đang bersang maseng ukun la jong do ino si kun iki jing di pin bersi jika tu pempa diau hato yang api isi pintin jong agak minong katuri sumalia kisang your life. Live on tomorrow and see the sunlight. No to tobacco that will steal your life. Live on tomorrow, yeah, yeah. Kick the habit, not your life. Live on tomorrow and see the sunlight. No to tobacco that will steal your life. Live on tomorrow, yeah, yeah. Na jinglin tin babida kapor ya pormen dala de pi senjor mabambum ju batan mi ya kadam ibam suki ya kido jam kan men shapo kanu kiut hatu ya la de tim benut gumnu jingbam babagi tehi hambal rung Gabi bashir khay the happen not your life. Live on tomorrow and see the sunlight. No to tobacco that will steal your life. Live on tomorrow, yeah, yeah. Kick the habit, not your life. Live on tomorrow and see the sunlight. No to tobacco that will steal your life. Live on tomorrow, yeah, yeah.
Mana duki majuani ga pere bajok na de kaku chuata hagi skoni korobin na ke ayo wai sa unuk sai angka tungko wai no langi nga kabako na je kai borolin na ke 가족 anga 보러 다우리 소록 고사족 나고 만나 아스키 멍 anga 노록 고사족 비망 시롱 게노바 장긴 보롱롱 하족 무슨 비자 붙이 지야겠다 니코 자복족 When you're not around it don't feel like a good night And when you're here I think I miss the good life
Choose health over habits, say no to tobacco, and yes to a longer, healthier life.
Yes, bro. Don't let tobacco to steal your life, guys. This is really very great message. And thanks God, they made it in English.
This is a nice concept.
And also in Khasi language. And we don't know the last guy, I think he was speaking.
I think he's not from Meghalaya. He was speaking
another he was, I think, from other state of Northeast only. He was also giving message. The music was so lit, so informative, and so great. So what they are telling, it is your life, and don't let tobacco to steal your life. So I'm not here telling you, I don't need to tell you. Just if you want to understand, you want to change, this music is very enough for you. We are reacting it, and we are also giving it as a message for all our fans, all our family friends. You are all our friends, right? So we are all one family, so we don't want to lose one of us one day. So if you love Jessie, Wanjop, those guys, they're telling you how you should take care of your health. Not because of 5 rupees tobacco, you are going to lose your life one day. You can get so many other things which is more reward, that is more healthier than tobacco, and that will help you stay safe, guys. So I just love it. I just love it, guys. Though in this music video they made it so clear, they kept subtitle also in Khasi, so that the local people can read it, those who don't know English, right? And English was also there and different language, right? So say no to tobacco, guys. That is from Jessie Lyngdoh. Thank you so much. Say no to
Say no to tobacco, say no to drugs, say no to
everything.
everything.
Say no to anything that can harm your health, guys. Thank you so much. Till next time.
Bye.